Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to crochet alphabet F. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest uploaded videos notification. Now let's see the basic diagram of letter F. We will start with the 25 chain, then single crochet in each stitch. We will work for letter F. First we will work a slip knot. Then 25 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Total 25 chains. Then skip the first chain and work from the second chain. One single crochet in each 24 chains. Complete 24 single crochet. Chain 1, turn the work and work one single crochet in each stitch again. We will work one single crochet in each stitch for total 7 rows. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 rows of one single crochet. After 7 rows, 8th row, one single crochet in 8 stitches. For next 6 rows, chain 1, turn the work and work one single crochet in 8 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Chain 1, turn the work. Complete total 6 rows of one single crochet in 8 stitches. After 13th row completed, in 14th row we will crochet 8 single crochet, then 9 chain. Start 14th row, chain 1, turn the work, work 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then turn the work and work 16 single crochet. Skip the first chain and work from the second chain. Total 16 single crochet we will work in this row. Then 15th row, chain 1, turn the work, work 1 single crochet in each 16 rows. Total 7 rows we will work 1 single crochet in 16 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Then the last bottom part, 10 rows of 1 single crochet in 8 stitches. Chain 1, turn the work and work 1 single crochet in 8 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Then chain 1, turn the work, again work 1 single crochet in 8 stitches. We will work total 10 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then chain 1, cut the yarn, we will crochet one more letter F of this same stitches. Let's now start joining the letter F. We will join with the single crochet. Cover the ends. And work 1 single crochet in each stitch. F is now ready. If you really enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video, share the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.